Welcome back. Now, one element you're going to see on your left hand side is called the brand kit. And you're going to click access to that link. And this is an important enough element that even though it's part of Canva for Work, that you will actually know what it is. What you're going to be able to do with your brand kit is to indicate to Canva what your brand colors are in this area. And what you can do here is you can indicate 2 colors. If you want to go up to a 3rd color, you would need to upgrade to Canva for Work. However, you can use 2 colors as part of your brand color palette. Now, one important aspect of the brand kit is that you can upload transparent versions of your logo, which again would give you access inside of Canva to use them along with your brand colors. You can also set your brand fonts. Basically, what you're going to have access to with the brand kit is to be able to use your entire visual branding in any graphic that you create. And so in this area, what you're going to be able to do is to upload your own fonts. Once again, this is going to be part of Canva for Work and could be something that you might consider important enough to upgrade for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.